Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making boiled and fried provision. Guys, this is super quick, easy, and delicious. Your entire family is going to love this one. It is basically plantains, and I'm using turned plantains, sweet potatoes, and I'm using the white sweet potatoes, and cassava, better known as yuca in the US. Alright, and I did make a loaded plate of provision for my son. This is just fun. Your kids are going to love this one too. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. Alright, so these are our ingredients. I have my peeled and washed provision, soaked in water, some onion, habanero peppers, black pepper, chicken bouillon, creole seasoning, some celery, bell peppers, variety of colors, green onions, tomato, and some parsley. So to the bowl with my provision, I'm adding my creole seasoning and some chicken bouillon. I'll mix that in, or you can just add it in a pot with the boiling water. No particular order, like that, and then I'll place this on the stove. Add a little bit of parsley, extra flavor. Yes, guys. And we will boil this until it is fork tender. As you can see, I'm now adding my turned plantains after about 6 to 7 minutes, and then I'll remove those because those cook pretty fast because they're already turned. Alright, so since they're up there, I'll go ahead and remove them and allow the rest of the provisions to cook until they are fork tender, not mushy, but just right. So to my heated pan, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil and about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going in with my sliced onions, some fresh diced garlic. Allow this to cook for about a minute. Add my diced celery, my green onions, habanero peppers, and my bell peppers. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika. Now I'm going in with my boiled provisions, which is my plantains, sweet potatoes, and yuca or cassava, and we will mix everything in well. Make sure it is well coated and fried really well for about 5 to 7 minutes. Looks and smells amazing. So you can taste and adjust your seasoning. I just add a little bit more of chicken bouillon, and I'm going in with some fresh tomatoes, some diced tomatoes for freshness, and some green onions for added flavor. And this is done, guys. Amazing. Now you cannot have boiled provision without boiled eggs or salt fish. So I'm using boiled eggs with mine, and that is what it looks like after plating. So I decided to do the loaded provision plate for my son. So I have some diced bacon that I fried up and some green onions. Now go in with some ranch dressing and some mustard and a little bit of ketchup. Guys, this is so delicious. Your kids are going to have fun with this one. Please try this one with them. Alright, so thank you guys so very much for spending the time with me today. Alright, if you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Those of you who are here, thank you guys so very much. So see you on the next video. Yes. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye, guys.